Welcome aboard the Adventure Express. Meet Jenny, a curious and imaginative 4 years old who loves exploring the world. Today, she is on a big train, jogging along the countryside with her loving mother and her cheerful 12 years old cousin, Lily. The train weaves through rivers, bridges, and forests, carrying them on a journey filled with surprises. But little does Jenny know, this ride is about to spark her wildest imagination and a mysterious encounter she'll never forget.
Yes, honey.
Wow, Mom, the view is so beautiful, Mom.
That's right. It's so beautiful.
Wow. Mom,
Yes.
how much longer?
Not much longer, honey. Just a bit more time.
Oh.
Yes. Jenny, look! I drew a boat under the bridge. Should I get the burger?
Yes, yes, a big one, sis, and with a green scale.
Yes, that's great. Jenny, thank you.
Okay, sis.
As the train rocks gently along its tracks, a new presence stepped into the carriage. A man unlike anyone Jenny has ever seen. His hair is slightly messy, his coat worn but tidy, and his eyes twinkle with a mysterious friend lines. He seems out of place yet perfectly at ease, as if he spent his whole life traveling from one story to the next.
Hello, what are you looking at outside?
I'll look. Oh, witch? That means a witches.
Witches, huh?
Yes,
Found it.
I found just one. I told her, go away, and she did.
You're a brave girl.
Yes, it's
I
better.
reckon one day you can travel around like I am.
Yes, I am already a woman. I am a 60, I think 100.
No, you're only 4, Jenny.
Oh yes, mommy, I'm a fraud.
Jenny,
Yes,
it's funny, but maybe don't talk to him too much.
okay, sis.
Jenny saw a stranger, but she talked with him without asking. It's good to tell an adult first before talking to someone you don't know.
Let me tell you about my little sister.
your little sister?
Just like your cousin today.
My cousin? She was a witch? Oh.
Maybe. That's fine. I love her very much. She is dead.
She is dead? Oh, she is dead.
I think she sits next to you.
Next to me?
Yes.
Where? What? Where? You? Where?
And then
Yes.
again. Wah!
Mommy!
Don't cry, honey. Here, I have some candy for you. Okay, that's enough. Please leave us alone. Hey, don't say things like that. You're scaring us.
I'm sorry. I know.
It's okay. Don't cry. It's fine. He's gone now. He's gone. It's okay, honey. Don't cry.
It's okay, Jenny. You can sit here. Please. Don't make me cry.
It's fine. Some people like telling silly stories that aren't always true.
So, he was just kidding, Mommy?
Yes, exactly, honey. It's just kidding. Some people like telling a story that sounds weird or scary, but it's actually just pretend. So if you feel confused or something sounds weird, you can come and ask them.
Yes, Mommy.
You don't have to talk to strangers today.
Okay, Mommy.
Yes. Jenny. You have to close with us. And that man was weird.
Maybe he was a witch?
Maybe, but you don't have to worry about it. He's gone now.
Okay, Mommy.
Okay, let's enter elementary.
Maybe you can draw him in your boxes.
Yes, you're right, Jenny. Good
Yes.
girl. Jenny learned that not everything people say is true, especially if it sounds silly or scary. If someone says something strange, it's important to tell an adult. And remember, it's always safe to stay close to people you know and trust.
Terus awas aku nih. Ganti ini aku.
Sige yun. Kenapa po nakisa mo na?
Nggak lapo-lapo, kalian menang.
Tablo, kayak patung.
Ganyan